Hi everyone, welcome to an unboxing video for a box that I have never featured before. It's my first time using the products in here and my first experience with the company, so I'm very excited to unbox this with you and put the products on my face and create a look with them. So the company is called AIA Beauty. They have an AIA Beauty bundle, which is a bi-monthly subscription, and the unique thing about this subscription box is that it focuses on one brand. So you get a bunch of full-size products from one brand in each box, which I don't know if any other beauty boxes do that, but I personally haven't experienced any of those, so I think that's a cool idea and a really nice way to get a good experience across a brand to know if you are interested in other things from that same brand. So if you want to see what's in this box with me, go over all of the products. I'll give you the information. There's also a 10% discount code for my viewers, and in fact there's going to be a link because there was an issue with trying to just use the 10% discount code. So I will just put a link there in the description box and that will automatically apply the 10% discount for you. And because many of these items are makeup products, I'm going to use them to complete my look for this video. Thank you so much for being a subscriber, hitting that red subscribe button. You can also follow Allura Beauty over on Instagram. And if you forgot to watch my latest video, I'm gonna link that in the upper right-hand corner. If you wanna check it out, I would really appreciate it. All right, let's get to unboxing this beauty box. So this is what the box looks like. You've got this pink holographic design on the front, which is really cool. This, I believe, was July's box, so I don't know if it's still currently available, but this is more to give you an idea of what AIA's boxes are like, to see if you're interested in future boxes. In this box, we have the company Manna Kadar, which I have used sporadically, just a few items from the brand in past years, but I'm really interested in getting to see a good wide range of the products from this brand. Here you have the information card, which gives you the pricing and more details on every product. And I don't know if you can tell from here, but you'll see in the box that everything is full size. Here's a little sneak peek into what we're going to look at. And actually looking at my notes here, I think that August's box, or that August-September launch maybe, is for Perlice, and they are focusing on body care and skincare with that brand's line of watermelon focused products. And in the past they've had brands like Guy Tang and doing a hair care focused bundle with his products. All right, so the first thing on top is this setting mist, or it's called the Hydrating Face Mist. So as you can see, a large full-size bottle here. The retail value for this would have been $19, which is actually pretty affordable just by its own. Now, personally, I don't know that I'm going to use this very much because it has fragrance in it. Now, it is a facial mist, and many people will use this after they've applied all their skincare and even their makeup, so that fragrance probably has some barriers to go through before affecting your skin, but I make a personal decision and I make a general recommendation to my viewers to avoid fragrance in skincare and leave-on skincare products as much as possible. It does have other great ingredients. For example, we start out at the very beginning with things like aloe leaf extract, but there is perfume added toward the end and also things like lanolol, so I hesitate to put that on my face. And the next thing in here that I want to point out to you, because I'm not going to necessarily apply it for you in this video, this is their Luxe Lash Serum. Now this says it makes the appearance of the lashes thicker, so they're not actually making the claim that it will make more lashes grow or actually give you more numerous individual hairs, if that makes sense. They're mainly saying that it will help give you shinier and a healthier look to the lashes. And I actually again see several fragrant ingredients. One of the first couple ingredients or few ingredients are bergamot peel water, lavender flower water, and some citrus-based waters. They are the water form, so they're going to be pretty diluted and mild, but I would be a little concerned about putting fragrant based water ingredients in something that goes right along your lash line. And the full size of this retails for $29. All right, let's get to actually completing this look. I've already put foundation on, done my eyes and my brows, but I'm going to go ahead and set my face with this product. This is the HD Perfecting Powder. So that's what the compact looks like. The full size retails for $29, and it says it creates a matte, silky smooth finish while eliminating oil and shine, which is great. That's what I need for my skin type. Ooh, Ooh, you not only get a full-sized mirror inside, but the top of this has like almost like a crocodile-y embossed pattern on it. That's what it looks like up close. So the other claims are that it is long wearing and universal for all skin tones. I'm gonna go ahead and take my e.l.f. kabuki style brush and do what I normally do with setting powders, just put it all over and set my makeup. I'll do half my face so you can see the difference. Doesn't seem to change the underlying color, and definitely has an immediate mattifying effect between this side and this side, which I have not yet set. I picked up on a fragrance as I was applying this, so in looking at the ingredients, it's talc and mica based predominantly. And the interesting thing is that I don't see any fragrance in the ingredients list. And I also don't see any ingredients that, although not listed as fragrance, would be fragrant. That's so interesting. Let me double check and make sure. I definitely feel like there's a smell to this that is not a smell of what, you know, non-fragrant powder usually is, but there's no fragrance listed on the ingredients list. Tell me by looking at that if you disagree or if you can pick anything out that might have a scent to it, but I don't see anything. All right, next product that I'm excited to try. This is the Longwear Powder Split Pan Duo. On the front, it says Uptown Bronzer and Blush. Similar compact design and also full-size mirror. You can see the split pan. On here, it says it retails for $24. The bronzing side is shimmery and the blush side is matte. On the description card, it says that it's multi-purpose, can be used as blush, bronzer, highlighter, and shadow. Features 2 textures, matte and pearlized, that glide on smooth with easy application and a glowing finish. If I'd known that, I would have not done an eye look and I would have put it on top. Maybe we should just do that. I'll add the bronzing shimmering shade on top of my eyes because it looks really pretty. Here's what the shades look like up close. So yeah, why not? Let's go for a more bronzy, smoky look that I wasn't planning on today, but don't mind doing. I'm not packing it on heavy, putting it kind of more lightly. Yeah, it definitely works just perfectly well for an eyeshadow. And for the blush side, I'm going to put that on my cheeks. I don't know. I wonder if some sort of scent could be added to around the packaging. I know that sounds ridiculous, but I do definitely feel like there's some sort of fragrance that I'm picking up on. Okay, so a nice rosy tone to this. Yeah, again, I don't see any sort of fragrance or fragrant ingredients listed for this product. Next up is the volumizing mascara. This retails for $29. It's a pretty expensive mascara. It says that it's rich, creamy, long wearing, and won't dry out or flake. Got the pink metallic packaging here. Very unique. Haven't really seen a wand shaped like this. Or not a wand, a tube shaped like this. Ooh, I love how plush and voluminous this wand is. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes just a little bit, and we'll start on my my right side. And your screen, I think, looks like it's the left side. All right, so there's the first pass through, going pretty well so far. I'm gonna do a second coating. Because it's such a big brush, especially for someone like me with smaller eyes, just be a little bit careful. Gotten some on my lid already. Okay, there's pass through number 2 compared to no mascara. I'm gonna re-dip and do pass through number 3. I like that this can layer, but it's not getting super spidery or super clumpy. Okay, so mascara applied versus none. You can see up close what the difference between the two sides. What's interesting is that it's called a volumizing mascara, but the description says that the custom wand reaches every part of the lashes, keeping them separated and defined for perfect flutter and flare, which I feel like this mascara does well. It's giving me a lot more definition and length. I don't think that it gives me more volume than it does length, if that makes sense. And the final product and step to complete this look is the Lip Locked Priming Gloss Stain. This retails for $24. This is what the packaging looks like. It is in the shade Sienna. It says built-in primer for long wear and smooth application. Hydrating formula, has the properties of a gloss and stain, and it's infused with vitamins A and E and berry extract. Standard, slightly slanted doe-footed applicator. Oh, interesting. It has a lot more pigmentation than I thought it would. Feels smooth, slightly like a cream formula on the lips. This formula has retinol in it, which is interesting. And funny enough, I don't pick up any sort of fragrance. There's none listed in the ingredients list. Or maybe I don't pick up a distinct fragrance. All right, so there is the completed look. And I don't think I told you the pricing at the beginning. The box costs $34. Again, that is bi-monthly, and you get over $100 worth of product in your box. Doing really quick math, 2, 4, so 3,390. Yeah, it's definitely, this one's well above $100 in full retail value. If you wanted to do 6-month prepaid, it would be a little cheaper overall at $88.40. They also have a year plan, which is $170 billed for 1 year. So like I said in the beginning, I have enjoyed trying multiple items from the same brand to get a better idea overall of whether I'm interested in the brand. So I think that's what's unique about this box. And I also like that each box can be focused on a different set of products. So whereas this is a more makeup focused box, obviously they've had boxes in the past that are hair care focused, and then the one they currently have is body care focused. So let me know if you have any thoughts or comments in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. And as always, I appreciate you taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video.